completed. Let's
Done.
therefore work done comma W equals to P B E, which is P into final volume minus initial volume. P is nothing but PV equals to nRT. So we can say nRT final minus T initial. Change in internal energy, comma delta U, because we are keeping here pressure constant. Change in internal energy at constant pressure is N Cp delta T. Sorry, because it is internal energy, N Cv delta T. This is same as N Cv delta T is difference between two temperature, initial and final. So we got work done at isobaric case and change in internal energy at isobaric case. Here Cv is specific heat at constant volume. By first law of thermodynamics, Q equals to delta U plus W. Therefore, Q will be N Cv change in temperature plus Nr into change in temperature. Copy till this now. Work done, internal energy, total heat.
Done.
So last line done. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Therefore, Q equals to N Cv plus Nr in one bracket and temperature change take in another bracket. What is Cv plus R? If you are remembering from chapter called KTG, Cp plus Cv, Cp minus Cv equal to R. So wherever I see Cp, I can write Cv plus R. Therefore, Q equals to N Cp into T final minus T initial. And we also know heat supplied at constant pressure is NCP dt from definition. Complete till this. Heat supplied at constant pressure is NCP dt, we got indirectly. Yes, completed.
Yes.
Thus, in this system, in this process, heat supplied. Thus, in this process, heat supplied is partly used to heat supplied is partly used to increase internal energy and partly to do some work. Partly to increase internal energy and partly to do some work. Fourth one, isochoric process. The process in which volume remains constant is called as isochoric process. In this process, no work is done by system. No work done by the system. The PV diagram is as shown. PV diagram is as shown. assembly diagram is as shown. Thermodynamics of isobaric process. For an isobaric process, change in volume delta V equals to 0. Therefore, work done, comma W equals to PdV equals to 0. By first law of thermodynamics, Q equals to delta U plus W. Therefore, Q is delta U plus 0. So Q is, okay. Can I clear everything?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, Q equals to N CV dt. Very important. Mostly one sum is fixed on this adiabatic process. Adiabatic process means it is sudden process where gas doesn't get time to exchange the heat with the surrounding. So it is a process during which there is no transfer of heat or exchange of heat, you can say. It is process during which there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. No exchange of heat between system and surroundings. Therefore, for adiabatic chain, delta Q equals to 0. No exchange of heat. Or you can say just Q equal to 0. This process is fast process. Hence, gas does not gets time to exchange heat with the surroundings. If completed, then tell. Please complete it. Hello, completed full.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And any day-to-day example you can tell which is very fast? Those who are having cycle, car, they might have seen this example. All of sudden हो जाता है, ऐसा कौन सा चीज है गाड़ी में? एक तो गाड़ी all of sudden कभी कभी बंद भी हो सकता है, और दूसरा क्या? All of sudden.
रुक सकता है।
टायर गेट्स पंक्चर्ड, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ सडन. वो बोल के नहीं बोलता है कि आगे जाके पंक्चर होने वाला हो. सो सच प्रोसेस आर नथिंग बट एडियाबेटिक. सो यू कैन राइट बिलो puncturing of tires is example of adiabatic or sudden change. Puncturing of tire is example of adiabatic change. Adiabatic means fast process, no heat is taken or given. Therefore, we can say Q equals to delta U plus W, that is 0 equals to delta U plus W. Therefore, delta U equals to minus W. Thus, when a system expands adiabatically, then W is positive and delta U is negative. W is positive because it is expanding, and delta U is minus W, therefore it will become negative. Hence, internal energy decreases. Hence, internal energy decreases. When system is compressed adiabatically, then work done is negative. Then work done is negative, and delta U is positive. Hence, internal energy increases. Hence, internal energy increases. Completed full? So adiabatic means Q0, delta U is negative of work done, If work done is positive, internal energy decreases, work done negative, internal energy increases. So expansion, temperature will decrease, contraction, temperature will increase. Completed, full?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. हाँ सर हो गया.
Next, PV diagram for adiabatic process is as shown. The PV diagram of adiabatic process is as shown. Somewhat similar to Boyle's law, you can see. Sudden compression, sudden expansion is called as adiabatic process. Yes, completed?
Yes, sir.
Thermodynamics of adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, PV raised to gamma equals to constant, where gamma equals to Cp upon Cv, where Cp comma Cv are specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume respectively. Constant pressure and constant volume respectively. Gamma is called as adiabatic ratio. Completed, then say, so that we can derive formula for Q equals to U plus delta, delta U plus 1 W1. What is gamma for monoatomic gas? For monoatomic gas, are you remembering what is gamma? 5 by 3. For diatomic, rigid 7 by 5. Non-rigid 9 by 7. For polyatomic, 4 plus F upon 3 plus F. F is number of vibration. Completed full?
Yes.
Now we are deriving formula for work done, internal energy and total heat, which we know it is 0. Right. Consider an adiabatic change of ideal gas. In this case, temperature and internal energy both changes. The change in internal energy, comma, delta U equals to CV delta T. Work done is integration of PdV from initial to final. So because it is adiabatic, so we wrote PV raised to gamma is constant. So we can say but PV raised to gamma equals to C. So we can say P equals to C upon V raised to gamma. Therefore, W equals to integral of C upon V raised to gamma dV from initial to final. Just copy till this, then I'm clearing and using proper space to do integration. Done na till this? Formula part? Till CdV V raised to gamma done? Hello? Is it completed till?
Yes, sir.
अभी उसको थोड़ा expand करना है.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now the simple integration. So this equals to C, I'm taking outside, V raised to gamma goes up minus gamma dV from initial to final. That will become C V raised to minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1 from initial to final is limit of integration. That means it is C. This denominator you can make 1 minus gamma. I'm just interchanging to write positive first. 1 minus gamma from initial to final. So C upon 1 minus gamma equals to T final 1 minus gamma minus of V initial 1 minus gamma. So C upon 1 minus gamma is complete till this first. After completing tell, because some indices property I have to explain.
Done, sir.
Now tell me what is A raised to M in indices? 1 upon what?
1 upon A.
1 upon A raised to plus M. Power किधर उड़ जाएगा क्या?
Oh, sorry, sir.
So this if I make it 1 upon V raised to final, then this power will become negative. Ulta. Minus ka plus, plus ka minus. So it will become minus 1 plus gamma. So can I write this as gamma minus 1 by taking reciprocal? This is initial. Here also gamma minus 1. See what I did? Minus gamma when comes in denominator plus gamma, my plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay, follow this equation?
Yes, sir.
1 upon V raised to 1 minus gamma, ulta हो गया, gamma minus 1. ऐसा. Okay, copy till equation 1 now. रब करता हूँ इधर तक. Since P V raised to gamma equal to C, so P initial V initial raised to gamma is P final V final raised to gamma. So in place of C, you can write either initial value or final value. So I can say therefore our work done, which we got C upon 1 minus gamma, C I am taking inside. So 1 upon 1 minus gamma C, here also C, this is V final gamma minus 1 V initial gamma minus 1. अभी देखो क्या changes करता हूँ. This is 1 upon 1 minus gamma into. Now C is either you write Pi Vi or Pf Vf, both are same. This is equals to C. So we can write first term matching with final. P final V final upon V final gamma minus 1 minus P initial V initial upon V initial gamma minus 1. So that is same as 1 upon 1 minus gamma into V final gamma minus 1. When you take up, it will become V final. Upper ka power is 1 minus gamma plus 1. Gamma minus 1. When we take in the numerator, PV raised to gamma, this is gamma So it will become gamma minus gamma plus 1. Gamma gamma will get cancelled. So P final, P final, P initial, V initial. This will remain. Copy. In place of C, you can put any values, whether P initial, V initial raised to gamma, or P final, V final raised to gamma. So for adiabatic, we get like P2 V2 minus P1 V1, 1 upon 1 minus gamma. Yes, completed. Completed till this. V final. हाँ हो गया. Hello.
हाँ सर.
Therefore, W equals to, class है ना, W equals to N R T final is P V. NR T initial is P initial V initial upon 1 minus gamma. So N R T final minus T initial upon 1 minus gamma. So for adiabatic, we got formula as P final V final minus P initial V initial divided by gamma minus 1, or N R P final minus T initial 1 minus gamma. Please write and practice at least two times. Things are not very difficult. The thermodynamics is easiest chapter. Right. Thus, if work done is positive, that is W is greater than 0, then Tf minus Ti is greater than 0. Pv equals to nRT n minus gamma. Hello? Gamma is greater than 1 or less than 1 gamma. Hello,
less than 1, sir.
gamma is less than 1, so 1 minus gamma का वैल्यू 5/3 था ना, 5/3 7/5 less than 1 है,
More than 1, sorry.
more than 1 है ना. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
more than 1 है ना gamma.
हाँ सर.
तो इसको मैं ऊपर से दोनों को इंटरचेंज करता हूँ टू गेट मोर आइडिया. तो आपको वर्क डन पॉजिटिव का मीनिंग थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. One minute. I'm rearranging numerator and denominator. So we can say that is work done equals to NR T initial minus T final upon इसको interchange किया, so that denominator is always positive. Therefore, if work done is greater than 0, then Ti minus Tf is greater than 0. So Ti is greater than Tf. Thus, initial temperature greater. Thus, gas will cool down because final temperature becomes less. If work done is less than 0, so initial minus final less than 0, initial is less than T final, the gas becomes warm. So that means when work is negative, it is getting internal energy becomes positive, therefore internal energy becomes negative because internal energy is minus work done. Work done positive, internal energy negative, temperature गिर जाएगा, gas cool हो जाएगा. But if work done is negative, gas compress हो जाएगा, internal energy बढ़ेगा, temperature of the gas will increase. Friday will be able to complete this theory of the chapter. There are two processes left out. One is cyclic, other is free expansion. Then use of this in heat engine. Then refrigerator and heat pump. नहीं होएगा शायद, एक और लेक्चर करेगा. ट्राई करता हूँ पूरा थियरी लिख के आपको पहले ही भेज दो, so that we can complete the theory part. Yes, completed till this. Hello.
हाँ सर, हो गया सर.
पूरा हो गया.
Yes.
फ्राइडे तक पूरा रिवाइज कर लेना थर्मोडायनामिक्स. मॉर्निंग वाला बैच मतलब आपको टेस्ट ओनली ऑन थर्मोडायनामिक्स. इवनिंग वाले का टेस्ट का पेपर अलग होएगा. सो आप लोग के लिए दो पेपर होएगा, एक थर्मोडायनामिक्स और एक में एमसीक्यू रखूंगा एटम्स मॉलिक्यूल न्यूक्लियर. Please keep on revising. Chapter is lengthy but not difficult because you are also doing in chemistry. So shall I clear this everything?
Yes, sir.
Revise and come. Without revising, if you are waiting, then chances are there you will not understand. If you don't understand, you will not enjoy. Then automatically you will take your plane at some other planet. देखो वेदांत का प्लेन गायब हो गया.